Konnichiwa, I'm Okaga from Japan. So I came here first because it was my sister's school. I'm from Kichijo, and then I decided to stay here because I like the environment and how supportive we are, the courses that we have, and co-curriculars that we have. It was just perfect for me to stay. Personally, I play basketball, and I like being a part of the team, and then get to play in the other teams, and I just enjoy it. I do recommend coming here because if you're looking at supportive community, we do have that community. It's a safe place for you guys to try new thing or try different sports that you want to try because we have lots of other options. Yeah, and then you can pursue whatever thing you want to do. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Konnichiwa, I'm Hikaru Haraoka, and I'm from Japan. Why did I choose here is Canada is famous for their diversity environment and some a lot of nature. Through living as a border, I could be friends with people by putting myself in the diversity environment. I can know about their culture or their mindset or opinion. It was so interesting. Well, QMS has equestrian program, so this is one of the reasons why the Japanese students want to come QMS. ありがとうございました。
Konnichiwa. I'm Nina. I'm from Tokyo, Japan. I wanted to experience outside of Japan. My favorite experience is same trip during spring break. We went in Andorra for 2 weeks. We did a lot of sightseeing, shopping, and we did skiing. Yeah, that was so fun. I think QMS is much safer than public school in Canada or America. I guess it's big point to choose here. Also here's so many country people are coming from various countries, so you can experience more diversity thing. ありがとうございました。